Hey, Mia, I need your help.
What's going on, Leo?
Yesterday, someone asked me, "What did you do yesterday?" And I froze. I didn't know how to answer.
Really? You didn't know what to say?
Yeah, I just said nothing much. But honestly, I did a lot. I think I need to practice how to talk about my day.
Oh, that's super useful. Talking about your day is something we do all the time in real conversations.
Exactly. I think we should practice it right here so our listeners can learn too.
Great idea! You can share your day step by step from morning to night. I'll ask you questions, repeat key words, and we'll speak slowly and clearly so everyone can follow along.
Perfect. But first,
Yes, before we start, if you enjoy learning real everyday English with us, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Okay, ready?
yesterday morning, I woke up at 6:30. The alarm was so loud.
6:30? That's early. Did you feel tired?
A little, but I stretched my arms above my head and it felt amazing.
Stretched your arms. That means you lifted your arms up high to relax, right?
Yes, it helps me wake up. Then I brushed my teeth and washed my face with cold water.
Cold water in the morning? Isn't that shocking?
Maybe, but it really wakes me up. After that, I got dressed. A white hoodie and black jeans.
Got dressed means put on your clothes. Easy.
For breakfast, I made scrambled eggs and toast.
Scrambled eggs. That's when you mix the eggs and cook them, right?
Exactly. They were soft and fluffy. Oh, and I had a cup of coffee, too.
Classic morning meal.
After breakfast, I walked to class. It took about 15 minutes.
Did you meet anyone on the way?
Yes, I saw my friend Emma. We chatted for a minute about homework.
And did you finish your homework?
Yes, I did it the night before, so I felt relaxed. In class, the teacher gave us a short story to read. It was about a boy who found a lost puppy.
That sounds cute. Did you like it?
Yes. Then we discussed the story in small groups. I said the boy was kind and brave.
Discuss means to talk and share ideas, right?
Right. At lunchtime, I went to the cafeteria. I ordered a burger, but they gave me a chicken wrap instead.
Oh no! Did you complain?
Nope, I just ate it. It was still tasty. I sat with two friends and we laughed about weekend plans.
That's a good way to enjoy lunch.
After lunch, I went to the library to work on a history project. I read books about ancient Egypt.
That sounds interesting. How long were you there?
About 2 hours. Then I went to my part-time job at the campus cafe.
You make coffee there, right?
Yep, it was busy but fun. A customer asked for extra marshmallows in hot chocolate. And she was so happy.
That's sweet. Literally.
After work, I went to the gym. I ran on the treadmill for 20 minutes.
Treadmill. That's the running machine.
Exactly. After that, I did some stretching and went home.
Did you cook dinner?
Yes, I made pasta with tomato sauce. My roommate made a salad, so we ate together.
That sounds delicious.
After dinner, I watched a comedy movie. It was hilarious. Then I brushed my teeth and went to bed around 11.
So, yesterday you woke up early, went to class, studied, worked at the cafe, exercised, cooked dinner, and watched a movie.
Yes, it was a busy but fun day.
Awesome! Everyone watching, now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, what did you do yesterday? Practice writing your day in English.
And remember, we speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word. See you next time.